What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Hope you're having a great weekend. Last week somebody commented on my MX650 range and distance test, asked if I ever did a range test with the modifications that I've done to see if it's improved or shortened it. So today I'm going to be doing just that. When I first got my MX650 like 6 weeks ago, I was able to get about 8 or 9 miles out of it after riding for 35 minutes. It still had a decent amount of charge when I got back home. So I didn't fully run it out through the 40 minutes, but since then I've actually converted it to 48 volts and I added a smaller sprocket, which definitely puts a lot of pressure on the motor. I also upgraded the controller since then. It now goes 27 miles an hour. So I'm not expecting it to last longer since the fourth battery is not designed to add runtime. It actually draws a lot faster than stock. It's just to supply more voltage to the controller so it puts out more power. So I'm hoping I can still do 30 minutes of ride time. I've actually had a preset route for today with 3 stops totaling 8.4 miles and supposed to last around 28 minutes for my ride. I also recently moved a little closer to Washington, D.C. So the background, the area, the neighborhood might look a little different than my earlier videos since there's no longer gravel roads or a river. Might as well take you for a ride with me and show you around. Hope you like the view today. I've never actually put on a chest mount before. thing is dying right when I'm getting home. Well, I cut down my 30-minute ride to 21 minutes. I guess I really just didn't take a break and I got carried away and I just full throttled it majority of the way today. I still did a little over 8 miles, which I'm pretty happy with, but towards the last mile, I was pretty nervous because it was like 41.3 volts in some situations going uphill. And it was starting to slow down a bit. And I know my controller has a cutoff around 40, 41 volts where it would just not move the bike forward. Luckily, I didn't get down to that and I did not want to. So it is pretty accurate if you're just like full throttle on it, nonstop, no brakes. You should get at least 20 minutes ride time in this scenario, but obviously longer if you know you're going slower in some situations, or shorter actually if your bike's a little older and your batteries are older. Keep in mind my bike is less than 2 months old. With it going over 8 miles and then almost dying in 21 minutes, not heard about it just because I had a lot of fun and I was full throttle the whole way for the most part. So if you found today's video to be helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with the Razor Supermoto mini moto build, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.